Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to start selling on Redbubble in 2025. So if you are looking to make passive income with your designs, this is one of the easiest platforms to get started. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to just open your web browser and search for redbubble.com. Once you are on this page, you will see the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. You will need to click on that sign up option, provide your email address, create a username and a strong password for your account, and you need to basically sign up for your Redbubble account. Then with those credentials, you need to just sign in into your account and hover over to the top right hand corner of the screen where you will have your profile. After clicking on it, you just have to click on the account settings. Now in your account settings, you need to click on edit payment details, and here you need to provide your payment and the tax information in order to receive your earnings. Now once this step is done, you can prepare your artwork, and here Redbubble supports PNG, JPG and work that best with the transparent backgrounds for print on demand products. So here click on the dashboard option over here, click on the add designs option. Over here you need to click on upload new work, and from your gallery you need to upload your photo. So after uploading your work, it will look something like this, where you can just add the name of your designs. Here you need to provide the title, tags, description relating to your product. Over here you will be able to choose the product that you want to sell on Redbubble. Like you can select the t-shirts or stickers or phone cases, posters, mugs, etc. You can enable or disable any of the items, and you can adjust the design placement for each of the product. Let's say I want to use it on my bag, so I'm gonna just click on the enable option, and it should look something like this. So once you are done with it, you need to click on the apply changes option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and your storefront should look something like this. So once anyone purchase this product that you have just created, you are going to earn the commissions every time someone buys your designs. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.